If you're trying to get started with Amazon KDP, here's one mistake that you can't afford to make. Choosing a niche just because it's popular, because popularity doesn't always mean opportunity. In fact, some of the biggest coloring book niches on Amazon are also some of the hardest places for a beginner to try at first. So today I'm going to show you 5 highly profitable but unsaturated coloring book niches to sell on Amazon that are perfect for beginners. And the keyword here is unsaturated, because what you're really looking for isn't just demand. You want demand without fighting thousands of nearly identical books. So if you're looking for your first or your next coloring book idea, this video is for you. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, the first niche is going to be called the axolotl coloring book. Now, this niche is not going to have a lot of competition. We see 332 total results, meaning 332 other coloring books that you're going to fight against for this search term of axolotl coloring book. We see a niche score of 74. That's pretty high up there. Titans Pro Analysis says demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. And going through the books here, we're going to see a lot of demand. So low competition, high demand. That is a good recipe to actually finding a potential niche on KDP. You see this book right here, $600 per month in royalties. It's a KDP book because right here, independently published. Same with this one, independently published. Almost $1,200 per month in passive royalties, and even has that bestseller badge. You see other books here, $600 per month. This one, couple $100 per month. Same thing here, same thing here. So a lot of books that show very steady demand. This one, $1,300 per month in passive royalties. So let's go ahead and take a look at this book. This is titled Axolotl Coloring Book, 50 Fun Facts and Super Cute Kawaii Scenes for Kids, Teens, and Adults. A bold and easy type of coloring book. So this one I noticed 4.9 out of 5 rating, 91% is a 5-star. So that is a good clue to actually want to go ahead and look at the interiors, see what they look like, and actually use that as a model for your own coloring book. This book priced at $10.99, only 108 pages. So this book is making close to $4 in royalty per book sold. So here's the cover. And if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that you can create this cover very easily using AI. And especially even the interior, you can have the same characters using different scenes and build a compelling book similar to this one. Now, taking a closer look at the interiors, you can see it's the same character or the same axolotl in different scenes. Some of the images here are colored in, and some are in complete black and white. This is the A+ content section where you can market your book even better than just the sample. But once again, this is a very beginner-friendly niche that you can get started with. Now, the next niche is similar to the axolotl coloring book, but this one is the capybara coloring book. So total results pretty similar in the 300s. This one is not going to have as high of a niche score, so there's going to be a little bit less demand. There's still demand in this niche, but a little bit less than the axolotls. But if we look at the Titans Pro Analysis, we can see demand is high at a 7, opportunity is high at an 8. And looking through these books, this one $400 per month. This one over $1,000 per month in passive royalties. And this one right here, also close to $1,000 per month in passive royalties. And then a couple more here, steady demand at $400 per month, $100 per month. And this one right here is doing really, really well, close to $1,500 per month, which actually looks like from the same publisher as the axolotl coloring book. So if you take a look at this book, this is the one that was making $1,000 per month in passive royalties. Really high reviews here, 4.8 out of 5. Price at $9.99. Now this is the typical price point that I usually price my books at, which is still giving me a healthy royalty of about $3 per book sold. And that is with about 40 illustrations. And looking at the front cover, just a very generic, very simple, bold and easy type of coloring book cover. And then this is literally the images, very simple lines. And once again, definitely something that we can create using simple prompts with AI. So this one is basically capybara in kind of different uniforms, which also gives me another idea of a seasonal capybara book in Halloween outfits. Now the next niche is called the swear word coloring book. This one's gonna have a little bit more competition, but also a ton more demand. So total results 1,386. Average bestsellers rank here dropped down to about 300,000 on average. And then a niche score of 68, which is still green. Titans Pro analysis, demand is a 7. Opportunity is a 9. Now, right here is a bestseller. This is a KDP book making over $14,000 per month in passive royalties. This one right here, over $3,500 per month. And this one right here, a bold and easy type, is making over $1,300 per month. So as you can see, this is a higher profit type of niche, a lot more demand in this niche. And 2 more books here doing well, $1,000 per month. And this one, $1,100 per month. Now, if we take a look at the number 1 bestseller in this niche, this is titled Adult Swear Words Coloring Book, Sweary Coloring Book for Stress Relief and Relaxation, Adult Coloring Book Cuss Words. So a lot of keyword stuffing here, but it's obviously working for this book. Price at $9.99. And the interior looks like this. So this is actually a little bit easier to create because you can create some patterns with AI, and then you can just put these outline text on top of it, which makes it really easy to go ahead and create this type of coloring book. There's a little bit more originality also with this type of coloring book. Instead of just depending everything on AI, you can actually create these partially with AI and then partially on a program like Canva, where you can go ahead and do the finishing touches, especially whatever swear words you want to add to your interiors. But I just want to show you the power of this niche. So this is the sales graph for this book. Basically shows you where the bestsellers rank is on a daily basis. So the lower it is, the better. The higher it is, the worst performing. But this is for the past 30 days. Now, if I just go zoom out to 1 year, you can see there are ups and downs between close to 0 rank and all the way up to 3,000. But if you go all time, you can see that this book has been selling very, very well for the last couple years. And so this is true passive income. When you get a book that does this well and it can continue to sell year after year without you ever having to mess with the book again. Now, the next niche is called the Highland Cow Coloring Book. So not a lot of competition here, 273 other books with a niche score of 50. Demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. Now, this niche out of all 5 is going to be the easiest to enter. You're going to have the least amount of demand here. There's still healthy amounts of demand, but the competition is going to be a lot lower here as well. So you have this book ranked at 35,000. So that's good for $1,300 per month in passive royalties. This one right here, 300,000 BSR, making a few sales per month, but that is still a good start. And then this one, couple $100 per month, a couple $100 per month. This one, $100 per month. So some steady demand here. Nothing too crazy, not any of those crazy types of royalties, but these are the type of books that can really add up as you create more and more and find more and more of these types of niches. $400 per month here, $300 per month there, $100 per month here, $100 here, $100 here, $500, $400. When you start focusing on these micro niches and you start doing well in these niches, well, all these books will start to add up. And before you know it, you have something substantial. So let's go ahead and take a look at this example. So this one is the one making over $1,000 per month. Same thing here, price $9.99, 50 coloring pages for this one. This is a bold and easy type of coloring book. So I expect the interior to be fairly simple. And as you can see here, right off the bat, this definitely looks like it was created with AI. And you see right here, if you've been working with AI for a while, you can kind of tell in certain areas why you would lean towards an AI generated image. There's nothing wrong with it, but this one is actually done pretty well. Same character, different types of emotions or scenes. Now, the last niche for today is going to be the coloring book for the elderly. Now, a lot of people forget about this niche, about creating coloring books for seniors, for elderly, for whatever reason, but you should be creating more coloring books in this niche because it actually, to be honest, it's an easier sell. So total results 339, but you can see the average bestsellers rank is the lowest of the 5 niches, and the niche score really high, 72. Titans Pro Analysis, demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. And you can see here, this one independently published over $5,000 per month, and it's just titled Easy Coloring Book. You have another one right here, $500 per month, $1,000 per month with a dog on the cover, $1,000 per month here. This one, $37,000 per month and a bestseller badge. And even more here. This one, very basic, obviously looks like it was created by AI, still making $1,000 per month. This one, a bird type coloring book, $800 per month. If we take a look at this example, titled Coloring Book for Adults and Seniors with Dementia and Alzheimer's, bold and easy large print coloring pages featuring animals, flowers, and birds, and seniors with dementia and Alzheimer's. So a lot of keyword stuffing here, but it's obviously working for this publisher. $9.99 is the price point here with 40 illustrations. And this one, if you're going to create for elderly, for seniors, you want to create in a large print, 8.5 by 11 inch format. So make sure you have those settings, but looking at the cover, very, very telling of an AI cover. And then looking at the interior here, hopefully there is a page. Here is the first page. Now, when you're selling to elderly or to seniors, they're not going to be so strict on what type or how did you create the image. They really just want to have something that they can enjoy coloring. So if you can just focus on the ideas and be creative and the vision, that's more important in this niche than actually what you used to create it with. Hopefully this list gave you a few ideas that are worth exploring. Remember, success on Amazon KDP isn't about finding a perfect niche. It's about finding a niche with real demand, manageable competition, and creating a book that genuinely can stand out. That's exactly why I spend so much time researching these opportunities, so you can spend less time guessing and more time creating. And if you want a complete step-by-step guide to building an Amazon KDP business, make sure to grab my free KDP royalty roadmap, link down below in the description. It'll walk you through the entire process from niche research to publishing your first books. If you found this video helpful and you want to learn more, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.